If you're looking for a smart and effective way to save on healthcare, the HealthEquity HSA is definitely worth considering. This health savings account, HSA, pairs well with a high deductible health plan, offering a variety of benefits that can help you better manage medical expenses while saving on taxes. The idea behind an HSA is pretty simple. You open the account alongside a qualifying health plan, and it lets you save money pre-tax for eligible healthcare expenses. It's a solid option for anyone wanting to keep their healthcare spending under control while also building long-term savings. One of the most attractive features of HealthEquity's HSA is how it maximizes tax savings. You can contribute money on a tax-deductible basis, which lowers your taxable income for the year. This can be a real boost to your savings. On top of that, any interest or earnings you make on your contributions are also tax-free. When you use the money to pay for qualified medical expenses like doctor visits, prescriptions, or even over-the-counter medications, the money comes out tax-free. It's pretty powerful because it not only helps you save on everyday medical costs, but also helps you reduce your tax burden. And the best part, the funds in your HSA roll over year after year, so you don't have to worry about losing the money at the end of the year like with flexible spending accounts, FSA. Even if you change jobs or health plans, the funds in your HSA stay with you. Another big advantage of HealthEquity's HSA is how easy it is to use. Once you've set up your account, you get a HealthEquity debit card, which is great for paying for healthcare expenses on the spot. It works just like a regular credit card, and you don't need a PIN to use it. Whether you're at the pharmacy, doctor's office, or a medical supply store, you can simply swipe and pay. The mobile app is also a standout feature, allowing you to track your spending, view claims, and even submit photos of receipts for reimbursements. It's really convenient for people who prefer managing everything from their phone. And if you need assistance, HealthEquity's customer support is available 24/7, which is a huge plus. They really focus on solving your problems rather than rushing you off the phone, which is a nice touch. For those interested in growing their savings over time, HealthEquity also offers investment options. You can access a range of low-cost Vanguard mutual funds, making it easy to build up your health savings just like you would with a 401k. If you're new to investing, don't worry. HealthEquity provides a step-by-step tutorial to help guide you through the process. They also offer a couple of advisory tools like AutoPilot, which lets technology manage your investments for you, and GPS, which gives you algorithm-based recommendations to help you make more informed choices. This makes it a solid option for anyone who wants to build a health savings nest egg for retirement or long-term medical expenses. Another thing that stands out about HealthEquity's HSA is the pricing. There's no monthly fee for maintaining an account, which makes it really accessible for just about anyone. The minimum to start investing is $500, which is a reasonable amount to begin with, and if you transfer an existing HSA to HealthEquity, you can double your interest rate for 12 months, up to $25. This can be a great way to boost your savings. The fact that they have no account minimums and no monthly fees makes it easier to start building health savings, regardless of where you are in your financial journey. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind before diving in. To open an HSA with HealthEquity, you must have a high-deductible health plan. If you don't already have one, you won't be eligible to open the account. This is a limitation, but for those who do qualify, is a great option. Also, while the investment tools and resources are useful, they might feel overwhelming if you're new to investing. Fortunately, the step-by-step guide and advisory services are designed to make the process easier, so even if you're a beginner, you can feel confident in your choices. Overall, HealthEquity's HSA is a fantastic option for anyone who wants to save on healthcare expenses and build long-term savings. With the tax advantages, low fees, and strong customer support, it offers a lot of benefits that can really add up over time. It's also super easy to use with the mobile app and debit card, making it a convenient option for managing your healthcare costs. Plus, if you're interested in investing, the platform gives you the tools to grow your savings over time. If you're eligible for an HSA and want to take control of your healthcare finances, HealthEquity is a solid choice to consider. Whether you're using it to cover medical expenses today or save for the future, it's a great way to make the most of your healthcare spending.